Remove 4 bolts for factory cross brace or strut tower brace. 1 bolt, 1 nut, 2 bolts here. Unclip factory hose holder. This is the hose connection that we will be intercepting with the Y. Leave this hose clamp and this hose clamp here, and you will remove the lower. After removing hose, reroute hose above this second supercharger intercooler hose. Then reclip that hose. Leave the other hose that we have disconnected out above. Lower hose you will take and twist towards the front of the vehicle and leave for now. Supplied hose coupler will go into lower intercooler hose with hose clamp. Install hose coupler into lower hose and clamp. Install supplied AN hoses to each hose end and hose clamp. AN hoses installed. Now it's time to install the tank. You will lift up on this and slide the tank straight in and lock in on tabs. Tank is now installed, and it is time to install hoses. So lower hose connection, upper hose connection. Hose connections installed. Install support brace back with 10mm nut and bolts supplied with kit. Install 2 bolts on support strut tower brace. System is now installed. You can remove the reservoir cap, fill full of fluid, and check for leaks.